Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy exploring the world of AI, back with another video. And guys, this one is all about the future. We're talking about the technologies that are going to be absolutely by 2025, like changing the game in every way you can imagine. We're talking massive shifts in the global economy, industries getting completely flipped on their heads, and yeah, even how we live our daily lives. This isn't some far off sci fi movie stuff either. This is happening. So if you're ready to see what the future holds, buckle up. We're about to break down the 10 technologies that are going to redefine the world as we know it, all in the next couple of years. Let's get started.
First up, we got to talk about automation and virtualization. And no, I'm not just talking about your Roomba, although those are pretty cool. I'm talking next-level automation that's about to change how it gets done. Think about it. We've already got algorithms handling our social media feeds, self-driving cars navigating the streets, and AI writing full-on movie scripts. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. By 2025, this stuff is going to be everywhere. We're talking factories run almost entirely by robots, virtual assistants that can handle your entire workload, and entire industries reshaped by the power of automation. This is going to be a wild ride, but trust me, it's just getting started.
Next up, let's talk about the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT for short. You might have heard of the regular old Internet of Things, but this is like its way more jacked up cousin. We're talking about a network of devices, all connected and communicating with each other. By 2025, experts are predicting over 50 billion devices will be part of this massive network. That's like every person on Earth owning 7 smart devices each. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so what? My fridge can already tell me when I'm low on milk. But this is so much bigger than that. Think entire factories operating with incredible efficiency, real-time data analysis optimizing supply chains, and machines predicting their own maintenance needs.
We've all seen the movies, right? The ones where robots take over the world, often with dramatic and sometimes catastrophic consequences. These cinematic portrayals have shaped our collective imagination about what robots could become. Robots taking over doing all the jobs. But in reality, it's way more nuanced than that. The truth is, robots are not here to replace us entirely, but to work alongside us, enhancing our capabilities and taking over repetitive, mundane tasks. We're already seeing robots and automation systems integrated into various industries, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare. These robots are designed to perform specific tasks with precision and efficiency, often surpassing human capabilities in speed and accuracy. And this trend is only going to accelerate. As technology advances, the capabilities of robots will continue to expand, making them even more integral to our daily lives and various industries. What's really interesting is the sheer volume of data these systems generate. Every action, every movement, every decision made by these robots is recorded and analyzed. Think about it. Every movement a robot makes, every decision an algorithm optimizes. It's all data. This data is then used to improve the robot's performance, making them more efficient and effective over time. And this data is gold. It's incredibly valuable because it provides insights that were previously unattainable. Companies can use this data to streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency. We're talking about insights into efficiency, potential issues, and ways to optimize processes that we've never had before. This data-driven approach allows for continuous improvement and innovation. Now, this data explosion isn't limited to just massive industrial robots. Smaller, more specialized robots are also contributing to this data pool, each one designed for specific tasks and applications. We're also seeing it with smaller, more specialized robots designed for specific tasks. These robots are often used in niche applications, where precision and specialization are key. These robots are popping up everywhere, from warehouses and delivery services to even, believe it or not, restaurants flipping burgers. They're becoming a common sight in various sectors, performing tasks that were once done by humans. The key takeaway here is that this data-driven automation isn't just about replacing human jobs. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where robots and humans work together, each complementing the other's strengths. It's about augmenting our capabilities, making us more efficient and allowing us to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity and problem-solving. By taking over the repetitive and mundane tasks, robots free us up to engage in more meaningful and innovative work, ultimately driving progress and growth. We just talked about how three-dimensional printing is poised to disrupt industries, but let's dive a little deeper into how it's actually changing the game in manufacturing. This technology is not just a fleeting trend, it's a transformative force that's reshaping the very foundation of how we create and build things. Traditionally, manufacturing has relied on subtractive manufacturing processes. This means that you start with a solid block of material and gradually remove pieces from it until you achieve the desired shape. It's a method that has been used for centuries, but it comes with its own set of limitations and inefficiencies. That basically means you start with a block of material and cut away at it until you get the shape you need. This process can be wasteful, as a significant portion of the material is often discarded. Additionally, the complexity of the shapes you can create is limited by the tools and techniques available. Three-dimensional printing flips that on its head. Instead of removing material, you're adding it layer by layer. This additive manufacturing process allows for a much more efficient use of materials and opens up new possibilities for design and innovation. Instead of cutting away, you're building up an object layer by layer from a digital design. This method not only reduces waste but also allows for the creation of complex structures that would be impossible to achieve with traditional methods. This fundamentally changes the game in terms of what's possible. With 3D printing, you can create incredibly complex geometries and intricate designs that were simply impossible with traditional methods. This opens up new avenues for innovation and creativity in product design. You can create incredibly complex geometries and intricate designs that were simply impossible with traditional methods. This capability is revolutionizing industries from aerospace to healthcare, where precision and complexity are paramount. And it's not just about complexity. Three-dimensional printing also enables manufacturers to produce customized products on demand. This means that products can be tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of individual customers, leading to a more personalized and satisfying user experience. Three-dimensional printing also enables manufacturers to produce customized products on demand. This flexibility is particularly valuable in industries where rapid prototyping and quick turnaround times are essential. Need a one-off part with specific dimensions? No problem. With 3D printing, you can easily create unique components without the need for expensive molds or tooling. Just design it on a computer and hit print. The digital nature of 3D printing means that designs can be easily modified and iterated upon, allowing for rapid experimentation and innovation. This level of customization opens up a whole new world of possibilities for product development and personalization. From custom medical implants to bespoke fashion items, the potential applications of 3D printing are virtually limitless. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking innovations that will further revolutionize the manufacturing landscape.
We live in a connected world. Our smartphones, laptops, even our refrigerators are all connected to the internet. And this interconnectedness is only going to increase exponentially in the coming years. We're on the cusp of a new era of connectivity, powered by technologies like 5th generation and the Internet of Things. 5th generation isn't just about faster download speeds, although that's definitely a nice perk. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about wireless communication. We're talking about significantly faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect a massive number of devices simultaneously. This opens up a world of possibilities, from real-time data analysis and remote surgery to autonomous vehicles and smart cities that can adapt to our needs in real time. It's about creating a world where everything is connected and data flows seamlessly, enabling new levels of efficiency, innovation, and convenience. So we've talked about how these lightning-fast connections are going to revolutionize the way we live and work. But what about the bigger picture? how will all of this impact the global economy? Well, hold on to your hats because the numbers are pretty mind-blowing. Economists predict that 5G alone could add trillions of dollars to the global GDP by 2030. We're talking about a massive surge in economic growth, driven by increased productivity, new industries, and a wave of innovation that we can only begin to imagine. Think about it. Faster connections mean businesses can operate more efficiently, share information seamlessly, and reach new markets with ease. It's like upgrading from dial-up to fiber optic, but on a global scale. This isn't just about downloading movies faster, it's about unlocking a new era of economic potential. And it's not just 5G.
All right, buckle up because we're about to take a ride into the future of mobility. The landscape of transportation is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and what was once the stuff of science fiction is now becoming our everyday reality. And trust me, this is not your grandpa's Oldsmobile. We're entering an era where electric cars are not just an alternative, but a mainstream choice, offering sustainability without compromising on performance. We're talking self-driving cars, smart traffic systems, and a transportation revolution powered by 5G and the Internet of Things. These technologies are set to transform our cities into smart, interconnected hubs where everything communicates seamlessly. Imagine a world where your car not only gets you from point A to point B, but also communicates with other vehicles on the road, avoids traffic jams in real time, and even finds you the perfect parking spot. This is the future of connected cars, where convenience and efficiency are at the forefront. That's the promise of connected cars and intelligent transportation systems. These systems will not only make our commutes smoother, but also significantly reduce accidents and improve overall road safety. But it goes beyond just cars. The future of transportation encompasses all modes of travel. We're talking about connected buses, trains, and even planes, all communicating with each other to create a seamless and efficient transportation network. This interconnectedness will ensure that every part of your journey is optimized, from the moment you leave your home to the moment you reach your destination. Imagine getting real-time updates on your commute, optimizing your travel time, and reducing your carbon footprint, all thanks to the power of connectivity. With smart systems in place, you'll always know the best route to take, the fastest mode of transport, and even the most eco-friendly options available. And let's not forget about the rise of autonomous vehicles. These self-driving marvels are set to change the way we think about personal and public transportation. Self-driving cars are no longer a sci-fi fantasy, they're a reality that's rapidly approaching. With advancements in AI and machine learning, these vehicles are becoming smarter and more reliable, promising a future where human error is minimized and road safety is maximized. With 5G enabling lightning-fast data transfer and communication, autonomous vehicles will be able to navigate our roads safely and efficiently, revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. The future is bright, and it's just around the corner. So get ready to embrace a new era of mobility, where technology and innovation drive us forward.
Now let's talk about how faster connections are transforming the healthcare industry. And trust me, this is about more than just faster internet in the waiting room. We're talking about telemedicine, remote patient monitoring, and a future where healthcare is more accessible, affordable, and effective. Imagine a world where you can consult with a doctor from the comfort of your own home, no matter where you live. With 5G and high-definition video conferencing, telemedicine is breaking down geographical barriers and bringing quality healthcare to underserved communities. But it's not just about convenience. Remote patient monitoring, powered by connected devices and wearable sensors, allows doctors to keep tabs on their patients' vital signs in real time, enabling early intervention and proactive care. This means fewer hospital visits, lower healthcare costs, and better patient outcomes. From managing chronic conditions to providing post-operative care, connected healthcare is transforming the way we approach health and wellness.
All right, so we've talked about how faster connections are changing healthcare and retail, but what about manufacturing? This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about the rise of the smart factory, a fully connected and digitized manufacturing environment. Think about sensors embedded in every machine, robots working alongside human technicians, and real-time data analysis optimizing every step of the production process. It's about creating a more efficient, flexible, and responsive manufacturing ecosystem. This level of connectivity allows manufacturers to collect and analyze data at an unprecedented scale. We're talking about insights into machine performance, production line bottlenecks, energy consumption, and even predictive maintenance. Imagine knowing a machine needs servicing before it even breaks down. That's the power of a connected factory. And it's not just about efficiency. This data-driven approach can also lead to higher quality products, faster production times, and reduced waste. It's a win-win for manufacturers and consumers alike.
Now, let's talk about something we all experience: retail. Faster connections and the IoT are changing the way we shop, both online and in physical stores. We're seeing the rise of the smart store, a retail environment that's personalized, engaging, and data-driven. Think about interactive displays that provide product information, personalized recommendations based on your shopping history, and even smart shelves that automatically track inventory and alert staff when items are running low. And it's not just about technology for technology's sake. These innovations are designed to enhance the customer experience, making shopping more convenient, personalized, and enjoyable. Imagine walking into your favorite store and being greeted by name, with personalized recommendations tailored to your tastes. But the benefits go both ways. For retailers, smart stores offer valuable insights into customer behavior. By tracking customer movements and interactions, retailers can optimize store layouts, product placement, and even staffing levels.
So there you have it, 10 technologies that are poised to transform the economy by 2025. From automation and AI to 5G and the IoT, these advancements are not only changing the way we work and live, but also creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology and its impact on our world. See you next time.